Hello everyone, welcome to the Easter Model Railway sale, and a special welcome to local members who got early access as well. So first up, I don't want to waste your time, so just so you know, everything here is HO scale. This sale is running till the end of April, but be quick if you want something, as they're bound to sell quickly. I'll leave a pinned comment below showing what's sold. If you're interested in something, there's a QR code on screen where you can scan with your phone to email me to let me know what you want. If you're on your phone watching this video, then you can also find my email address in the channel description, or maybe look me up on Facebook and message me there. On the right side of the screen, I'll put the asking price and how many I have left of each thing. For shipping, it's just a flat fee of £4 for the UK, so any amount of stuff you'll never pay more than £4 postage. For overseas shipping, contact me first for a quote. All payments by PayPal, and I have to say, sold as seen, no returns. Okay, let's get going, and I've got a bunch of European stuff coming up, but I'm starting with American Railroad stuff first. So it's the first of the American stuff, and it's this job lot of 7 wagons with military type loads on them. Each of them are slightly different, although we do have at the back here 2 with Sherman tanks on board. I think these are kits that have been added on, not been painted that great, and some of these wagons like this one has been scratch built with some bogies put on them. We've also got knuckle couplers on the most part. So here is another tank. This one's got a gun on the roof. We've got 2 with very smashed up trucks on board. These are actually manufactured wagons. I'm not quite sure who made these, maybe Lifelike, something like that. But this lot does come with a bag of pieces that have fallen off these. So it's definitely a damage repairable for all of these models. Got a half track with a trailer on another scratch built model. An amphibious truck as well on here, which I think this is a Triang model. And finally this, which is a Matchbox or Lesney, I think, metal digger, which has been painted green pretty badly, and put on another flat car, which I think is Triang. So this lot is going to be a bit of a challenge, something to do up, keep you occupied. Sure, they're not great, but you do get a lot of useful parts, plus you get some military vehicles, and I'm asking just £20 for all of this. Sorry to interrupt, just a quick shout out to my now 5 channel members. Thanks for your continued support, I really appreciate it. And if you'd like to consider becoming a local member too, like these awesome people, and help support me making content for you, plus you get a few extra perks like early access and a few other bits and pieces, just check out the join button somewhere at the bottom of your screen. So another job lot this time, it's 5 wagons. And it's a mix of 2 scratch-built ones at the back and 3 normal kind of factory-made ones at the front, but they've all had custom loads added onto them. This one, for example, has a wood and I don't know what these are meant to be, some kind of packages. I think this is maybe Lifelike. Not sure of the manufacturer of this one, but it's got another set of loads on them. Something a bit different on this one. I think this is Lifelike as well, but I'm not sure. Then we've got 2 scratch-built ones like this, which have different packages on each side. On the most part, they've got knuckle couplers and a selection of different bogies and wheels. Again, I'm asking £20 for this lot. Next up, it's 2 Milwaukee Road box cars. These are both Bachmann models. This one's the better of the 2. It's got a silver roof, a bit more detailed. This one's a bit cruder. It still has knuckle couplings on it. And I'm looking for £5 for this pair of box cars. More box cars now, it's 4 of them. These ones at the front I actually think are Triang old models. Well, this one here definitely is. It's one of the ones that cleans the track as well. And you can see it says here made in England. No idea who made this one. And you get this one as well, which admittedly isn't very good. So all these 4 wagons for just £5. Now it's caboose gate. I've got 8 of them here. So that's a lot of cabooses, caboose I'm not sure what the right term is. Anyway, it's quite a mix of different manufacturers here. This big one at the back is actually a Triang model, which I think has been repainted, not very well either. But it has been fitted with KD bogies, which is pretty interesting. This Union Pacific one has also been really badly painted, and it's sitting on a Rocco chassis for some reason, but it does have some useful parts. This Union Pacific one is a Bachmann model, which I think again has been repainted. This one is a Lifelike one in the Santa Fe livery. Not sure the manufacturer of this one. It's not a great model to be honest, but it's got some good parts on it. And I'm also not sure of this one either, but it does have an engineer at the back there and metal ladders going up to the roof. This red one is actually a Lima model. It's had an extra handrail put on it and it's had KD couplings. And I think this is probably the best out of the bunch. I think this is maybe an Athern model, which has got some extra painting on it. It's got really good wheels on it too. So you can have all of this for just £10. The next lot is some hopper wagons. So obviously we have a Burlington one here with a coal load. It's got opening little hatches on the bottom. I'm not sure who made this. I think it might be Lifelike. but it does have the KD couplings and some decent bogies as well. This one I think is actually scratch built. It's made of metal, but it's been painted yellow really badly. Has a pretty good coal load though, but you can see it's been scratch built, as has this large one at the back. I think this is completely scratch built with, I don't know, they look like maybe Lima bogies or triangle or something, I'm not quite sure. It's got KD couplings as well. These three things, just £5 for the lot. Great for some spares. 3 wagons in this lot. We have this one here with the water containers, which actually come off if you want. It's got a metal bottom on here, but it's got no couplings. And then we have 2 of these flat cars, which look as though they maybe have a truck or something in here, but that's not included in the sale here. Not sure of the brand of that one. And this one is different again, but again, I'm not sure of the brand. Anyway, this one, I'm just asking £5 for the 3. The next lot is this set of containers. These are, I think, 20-foot containers, and they're all very similar. They look as though they fit onto some kind of wagon or something, I'm not sure which one. And they've got a variety of different logos on it. So you get 8 containers here. I'm asking £1 a piece, so £8 for the lot. So it's another lot of containers. These ones are much bigger. The grey ones over here are 45-foot containers. These ones are 40-foot containers. We've got very nicely detailed ends to these. I think these actually might be maybe Walthers or maybe a Thurn, I'm not quite sure. Anyway, there's 3 of the green ones and 3 of the grey ones. And also you'll see at the back a big stack of scratch-built containers, which also comes in this lot for free basically. So there's 6 containers, £12, and you get the free scratch-made ones as well. 2 more Bachmann models here, and they come boxed. This is a Santa Fe stock car in HO scale, and also we have the High Cube box car as well from New York Central. Both of these I'm asking for £5 for the pair. Next I've got 2 Athern 3-dome tank cars. One is Shell and the other is Mobil Gas. And these come boxed as well. Pretty good condition these. They've got the metal handrails, no damage on them. They do have these kind of hook couplings instead of KDs though. So I'm asking for £10 for the pair. On its own now, this is an Athern Reefer in the Canada Dry livery. It's got the lift-up rooftop pieces. I'm just asking £4 for this one. And this also £4. It's an old Triang model made in the UK. This is actually, I think it's from Battle Space or something like that. It's the one that actually falls apart. It's got a spring-loaded mechanism inside and a lever underneath to spring the mechanism and blow the box car apart. A lot of fun, I think. Just £4 for this.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Motion, and today I'm wearing a wonderful t-shirt with the Deutsche Bundesbahn logo on it. It is that, right? And you can order a t-shirt just like this too. There's lots of cool logos and colors to choose from. Wait, are these all like railway logos or something? Oh wait, so they are. Check out the links underneath this video. I am so done with this. I'm going to the station bar.
So that was the end of the American stuff. I'm moving on to the European stuff now, and I'm starting off with this bunch of Pico wagons. £10 each for these, and I'll show you which ones I've got here. This first one is 54721, and it's a Belgian kind of beer wagon with this logo on it. Pretty good. I don't think this has actually ever been used. It looks brand new, very clean condition. So £10 and this could be yours. Next is this one. I've actually got 4 of these. It's number 54026 and it's a livestock wagon from the DRG Epoch 2. I'll get this out and I'll show you what it is. So it's a pretty cool wagon. It's got a lot of nice detail on it. I don't think this has actually ever been used either. It looks very clean too. Cantilever couplings, NEM pockets, good wheels and good printing. So it's a nice little model at £10 each, and I've got 4 of these. The next lot is the same wagon, but it's an A, B and C model, and they differ just because they've got different running numbers. So I'll get one of these out and show you as well. So it's certainly a bright livery, this Spar Monopoly, and it's another Belgian wagon. Like I said, it's got 3 different running numbers depending on whether you go for A, B or C. Again, looks like new. I don't think these have been run or taken out of the packages. Got cantilever couplings and good wheels again. All looks really good. Nice printing on them too. Very distinctive and bright. So £10 each for these. So this one is 54620, which is a coal wagon from Epoch 3. So I'll get this out and I'll show you that as well. I've only got one of these. So I think this is a really cool looking model. It's very different as well. I don't think this has ever been run either. It looks brand new and it comes with some extra parts as well. So £10 for this wagon too. So this is the penultimate Pico wagon. It's number 54044. It's a boxcar from the OBB from Era 4. So it's a decent enough wagon. It looks really good. Again, very clean. I don't think it's been used before. And it also comes with some transfers as well. So again, this is £10. And finally this one as well, which is another box car. This one is 54098 and it's a Swiss SBB CFF one from Era 4. So it's a nice looking model. It's got some really clear printing. The doors actually open as well, but there's nothing inside. I think this one actually might be used. It should have two railings up here, but one is missing. This part is metal as well, and so is this railing. So you're going to have to fix the railing on this. So I'll knock this one down to £8 for it. It's still a very nice little model. Next up, I've got a whole bunch of Liliput wagons. These are actually made by Bachmann, and they're all made in China. And there's a number of duplicates here, so I'll go through them and show you what I've got. So the first of the Liliput, these are all the same. They're just kind of basic box vans. They're from the Deutsche Bahn, or Deutsche Bundesbahn, I think. They're number L225311, and yeah, the Deutsche Bundesbahn from Epoch 3. They're all in superb condition. I don't think any of them have been used. You can see the van inside there, and they're all the same, so £10 each for these. And I've also got this one as well, L225308, which I think is just the same van, but this time in grey, and it's from the Netherlands. Again, very good condition. Again, I don't think it's been used. This one's got the First Class by Bachmann logo on the box. Next, I've got two of these, which are horse boxes, I believe. They're number 235430 from Epoch 1. So I think these might actually be Hungarian. Anyway, there's two of these. I'm just asking for £10 each for these. Another two models that are the same are these two, which are cream box vans. They're both from Baden, so I guess they're German. On the end here, again, it's Epoch 1. Number is L224801. A nice bright little wagon there with a brakeman's platform at the end. Again, very good condition. I don't think these have ever been out of boxes. So it's £10 each for these two. And finally, for the Liliput wagons, I've got these two. So again, it's DB wagons from Era 3. These are, I can think, stake wagons, and they've never been fitted with the stakes. You can see them inside there. And I think they also come with some loads as well. I'm not sure what they are. I'm interested to find out, so I'm going to open them up. Okay, so these are actually really quite cool. They definitely are stake wagons. There's a lot of detail underneath. Come with the stakes here. And we've got two barrels as well with Johnny Walker whiskey. And some extra parts too. So you get quite a lot with this wagon, and I'm only asking £10 as well. Here we have some Liliput coaches. Again, these are made by Bachmann and made in China. I'm selling these for £15 each, but they're all different, so I'll go through them one at a time. So in no particular order, this one's first, L383105 Scherzenwagen. I think it's first class from the OBB Austrian Era 4. It's a bright orange livery. You see there, first class coach. And I don't think this has actually ever been run. I don't think it's been out of the box either. So £15 for this one. So this is another OBB coach. This one's number 383605, and it's very similar to the last one. But I think, is this a sleeper? Not quite sure. Anyway, the blinds roll down on the windows. I don't think this has been out of packaging either, and it's another £15 coach. So this is a bit different. It's a Swiss SBB CFF old timer type BR4U, and it's number 386304. Again, I don't think this has ever been out of packaging. Looks really good, this one. Lots of really nice details too. So this again is £15. And finally, for the Liliput coaches, it's this one from the DRB Era 2. This is number L383703, and it's a Schlafwagen. I think it is a sleeper this time. It looks really good in this colour, and again, it's another one I don't think has ever been out of packaging, and it's £15 for this one too. Moving to Fleischmann now, we've got three items from them. The first one here is 5059, and it's a really nice Deutsche Reichsbahn third class four-wheel coach. I'm asking £10 for this. It looks really good. Absolutely no damage. Lovely little coach, this one. 5210 is an open wagon. You can see a Deutsche Reichsbahn from Breslau with a brakeman's cab. Very good condition again. Really nice spoked wheels. And in this box, I'm asking £8 for this. And the last of the Fleischmann is 5203, which is another open wagon, a bit bigger than the last one. It's again Deutsche Reichsbahn, this one from Würzburg. And again, it's got really nice details on it, like the spoked wheels. Very good condition too, and I'm asking £8 for this as well. And I've got some bits and pieces here as well, different brands and different types of things. So they're all going to be different prices as well. So let's get stuck in. So this is a Pico Deutsche Reichsbahn tanker wagon. I'm looking for just £3 for this. It's quite old, but it is in decent enough condition, although it does have a few scratches and it's missing a buffer. So £3. Next up, I've got 3 green four-wheeled coaches and a baggage car. This one here is from Lima, and it's a Deutsche Bahn second and first class. I've also got this baggage car. I'm not sure who made this. There isn't any markings underneath it. It might be Rauer, but I'm not sure. And finally this one as well, which is a Deutsche Reichsbahn coach 2. And again, I'm not sure of the brand of this one. And also the couplings are a bit wonky as well. So this is more a doer-upper. So all these 3 I'm asking just £5 for. This is a Liliput bogie hopper wagon in pretty good condition. It's an older model, it's number 246, and I'm asking £8 for this one. And this one is Liliput 21100. It's the open wagon which has the operation, it tips up, and I'm asking just £5 for this one. This here is a Rauer supermodel of a 6-wheeled coach in third and second class from the Deutsche Reichsbahn, and this I'm just asking £5 for as well. A couple of Trix models now. This one is 3601. It's a green van with opening doors in MAN livery, and this is the Bavarian State Railway. It's got a brakeman's cab, very good condition this, I'm asking £10. And this is another Trix one, it's 23503. It's another van with opening doors in this bright yellow Maggie livery. It's a really nice looking van, this one, and I'm asking £10 for this as well. And finally, it's an old Markland blue box one. This is 4430. A simple open wagon, nothing special, but it's a decent model in good condition. It comes in a box, and I'm asking just £4 for this. So that's everything in the Easter sale. I hope you saw something there you were interested in. Get in quick though, these things normally go really quickly, and I'm hoping the prices are attractive to you as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.